Hello guys, today we'll be doing a quick comparison with a powerful vacuum cleaner. $700 vacuum robot. The first question is, in all these robots, value for one of these, or you should keep one out? Well, in this comparison, we'll be comparing sets of vacuum cleaners. I'm Josh and welcome to the video. Let's start off with the vacuum cleaner over here. The pros and cons. This is a Bissell Power Force Helix Turbo. Will this go against the $700 robot? I made sure that definitely has some advantages over this. First off, all these cables, right? You can never put up with these cables. And then the robots, all you have to do is click on this button and it'll go. Now if we could do a comparison over here, I'm just gonna go to the office here real fast. A robot would usually clean. They would make like this white mark over here. You see that? This white mark. Now let me do a demonstration how it does look like. What happens if you put a robot in over to the robot, as you can see here. Just click on clean. There you go. It has a little bit flip. It cleans much fine, so let's do the test for carpet. 3, 2, 1, go. You can see those lines I told you about before. They're forming. And this is our iRobot Roomba 670 or 690. It's a Roomba. It's doing a proper job, as you can see here. It's taking its job. It's making those performance lines, as you can see here. And let's go to the vacuum cleaner. 3, 2, 1. It's charging. All I have to do is just see that green light, and now since it's overcharged, I'll make that light so you can plug the vacuum cleaner. First off, you see these plugs. I need to plug in this white extension I had into this electrical. It's not making any lines. To review the pictures, or as you can see, the lines. You see the lines formed by the robot is how cleaning and depth it is. For $700, I guarantee this is worth it. Now, if you go over to the vacuum cleaner, it takes in those big chunks, but it never takes in the little details. So yeah, I'm gonna take a picture of these and I'll review comments below which you liked better in which pictures. Watching. Make sure also to buy our merch. Turn this on. Our merch, it's to go here. JJZack.com. The Nvidians, our main founders, all have information. Josh Zachariah, Timothy Matthew, and Isaac. Now we have our 3 products right here right now. And we'll soon add more once our channel grows and you can shop now. And you see these 3 items. So yeah, also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks so much for 30 subscribers. Goodbye.